Here's another QVT for you. When transferring markings from your pattern onto your fabric, make sure they're visible and that you understand what they mean. I'm using a Frixion pen. When you iron it, it goes away, which is kind of cool. Just don't forget about your marks. I noticed that this seam allowance is a little bigger than 5/8. It's actually 1 inch. So guess what? So I don't forget, I'm making myself a note right on the fabric. And I use my iron. This will be gone. But I know that this is a 1 inch seam allowance. Write on your fabric if you need to. Make yourself some notes. Hope this helps.